Hello friends, my name is Jatin. Today I am going to make it a flooded area with the help of shading pencil. Take your pencil, shading pencil. If you got it 8B pencil, HB. If you are fine with a light B pencil first, you can take it HB pencil first. And if you are confirmed, then you can take it your dark toning pencil. Now take your piece of paper or your sketchbook. Now we are going to start. A flooded area is mostly covered with a water. So I am going to make it one simple land where few people are shouting for help there, and one of a house, a safe house, which is very higher on the land. I'm going to make it dark tone and then few strokes. While drawing, I'm going to sketch it also inside. Here, one higher land house is ready. Few peoples who saved their life standing here asking for help. Few kids. Same thing on another land. Now here a fully flooded area. Few houses which has been drowned in the water. Same thing I said you. I'm going to shade it at the meanwhile. A half door which is covered with water. It is drowned in the water. One more house which is drowned in the water, giving a dark tone at the roof. Few standing strokes. Again this few layers of the water and one person standing on a roof shouting for help. Same thing here, one on a roof, whole family which has been stuck in a water, they are asking for help. Now few vehicles which has been drowned, a car, again one more car. Now few more house which has been drowned. I'm going to show a perspective little bit, so I'm going to make it little bit small. Here a few man peoples which they are trying to coming out from their bad situation. They are using a help tube. Same thing here, few helpers going to help those peoples in a motorboat. Few peoples which have been rescued sitting inside. Few water strokes. Again, little bit far more water. One more land where peoples are shouting for help. Few peoples are shouting for a help, and few rescue helicopters there. Few clouds, a heavy rainfall clouds. Few shades of a darkness of the water, monsoon water, cloud, heavy cloud with the darkness shades. One helicopter lying in the air. Came for a rescue. One people has been rescued and going for a safe area. Few, I'm going to make it here one land, one tree. Even few people are taking a help of a tree to rescue themselves. Sitting on a branch. Finding for a rescue. Few dark tone in the land. Here you can see a scenario which is made it with a pencil sketching. Even also you can make it with your beautiful colors. In next of the session I will be teaching you how to use it pencil color inside. Thank you friends.